Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm about to show you how you can recover your Shein account. So if you've been using Shein for a certain while but then seem to have forgotten the password to your account but still want to shop a lot of things from there and are trying to reset and recover your account, stick with me till the end of this video to figure out how this is possible. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Shein app on your mobile device, and then all you have to do is simply open up the app. After you open up the app, wait for a certain while until the app completely loads for you. As the app loads, you will land on an interface that pretty much looks like this. Here you will land on the shop page. As you land on the shop page, you will see that on the bottom right corner there's a me icon. Tap on the profile icon and then tap on sign in/register on the top left corner. After you do that, you will land on the register section, but since you've already registered, tap on the sign in option. And now what you have to do here is select your country or region. Also enter the email address and the password that you had associated with your account while trying to creating your account. But since you've forgotten the password, tap on forgot your password, and now all you have to do is enter your email address in this section. Once you enter your email address, Shein will send you a password reset link. On entering the password reset link, you will be able to enter a completely new password, and after you set up a new password for your account, you'll be directed back to this page where you can enter the same email address, enter the completely new password for your account, and then tap on the sign in button, and within a very few seconds of time you will be able to log into your account, which means that your account recovery will have been successful. So this is basically how you can recover your Shein account. I hope that with the help of this video you'll be able to recover your own account. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you're reminded every single time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.